Welcome to our exciting exploration of stylish wood crafts that not only enhance your home decor but also offer the potential for high profits. In a world where individuality and personal expression are paramount, handcrafted wood items provide a unique opportunity to create decor that resonates with both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting your crafting journey, this guide aims to inspire you with a variety of project ideas that can transform your living space while also appealing to those seeking distinctive, high-quality pieces. The versatility of wood as a material allows for endless creativity, enabling you to design items that can serve practical purposes while also serving as beautiful focal points within your home. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in our exploration of stylish wood crafts, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more creative content that celebrates the beauty of woodworking and home decor. Your support means a lot to us, and by liking and sharing this video, you help us reach a wider audience of fellow craft enthusiasts and design lovers. We invite you to stay tuned until the end, where we'll share valuable tips and insights that will enhance your own woodworking journey, empowering you to create stunning pieces that reflect your personal style. Together, let's build a community that appreciates the artistry of handcrafted wood projects and inspires one another to transform our living spaces into beautiful, functional works of art. As we delve deeper into the realm of wood crafting, we'll uncover how these stylish projects can elevate your interior spaces and potentially become lucrative ventures. From emphasizing functionality in design to embracing sustainable practices, the possibilities are vast. We'll discuss the importance of customization, the allure of minimalist aesthetics, and how to create statement pieces that capture attention. By understanding market trends and consumer preferences, you can position your wood crafts as sought-after items in today's design-driven marketplace. Join us on this journey as we celebrate the art of woodworking, offering insights that will empower you to create stunning pieces that not only enhance your decor but also reflect your unique style and craftsmanship. The world of wood crafts presents a vast landscape of creative possibilities, merging artistry with practicality in ways that can significantly enhance home decor while also offering lucrative business opportunities. As individuals increasingly seek unique, handcrafted items to personalize their living spaces, the demand for stylish wood crafts has grown. These projects not only allow artisans to express their creativity but also resonate with consumers who appreciate the warmth and character that wood brings to a home. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman honing your skills or a novice exploring new hobbies, the realm of woodworking offers a fulfilling avenue for both personal expression and potential profit. By delving into various techniques and styles, woodworkers can create pieces that not only beautify spaces but also serve essential functions, striking a balance between aesthetics and utility that is highly sought after in today's design-driven market. In the realm of home decor, functionality is paramount. Stylish wood crafts that serve practical purposes can significantly enhance a living space, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. For instance, creating organizers that help declutter spaces or stylish shelves that showcase decorative items can elevate both the aesthetic and functional aspects of a home. These functional pieces not only contribute to a more organized environment but also add a touch of elegance and sophistication, appealing to consumers who value both beauty and utility. As you explore various woodworking projects, consider how each piece can serve a dual purpose, allowing you to create items that are not only visually appealing but also enhance the overall usability of a space. This emphasis on functionality not only satisfies the needs of homeowners but also positions your crafts as essential additions to modern living, increasing their desirability and marketability. The minimalist design trend continues to flourish, characterized by simplicity, clean lines, and an overall sense of calm. In this context, wood crafts that embody a minimalist aesthetic often focus on essential elements while avoiding excessive embellishment. By streamlining designs and emphasizing the natural beauty of wood, artisans can create timeless pieces that resonate with contemporary sensibilities. Minimalist wood crafts can range from simple wall-mounted shelves to sleek coffee tables, each piece designed to enhance the space without overwhelming it. This approach not only appeals to design aficionados who appreciate understated elegance but also has the potential for high profitability, as minimalist items often command strong interest in today's market. By honing in on this aesthetic, you can create pieces that not only serve practical purposes but also contribute to a serene and uncluttered home environment, making them attractive to a wide array of consumers. One of the most compelling aspects of woodcrafting is the ability to customize projects to meet individual tastes and preferences. Offering personalized options can significantly enhance the value of your creations, allowing customers to acquire pieces that reflect their unique style and personality. Customization can manifest in various forms, such as tailored finishes, unique dimensions, or personalized engravings that imbue each item with a sense of ownership and connection. This level of personalization not only fosters a deeper emotional connection between the buyer and the piece but also makes your craft stand out in a crowded marketplace. As you consider potential projects, think about how you can incorporate customizable elements that cater to diverse tastes, ensuring your offerings appeal to a broader audience. By prioritizing customization, you not only enhance the desirability of your creations but also position yourself as a responsive artisan who values the individual preferences of your customers. In any home, statement pieces hold the power to captivate attention and serve as focal points that draw the eye. Stylish wood crafts that stand out, whether through bold shapes, intricate designs, or unique textures, can transform a space, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and creating a sense of drama. These distinctive creations can include oversized sculptures, intricately designed wall art, or striking furniture pieces, each crafted to make a memorable impression. By focusing on the artistry and craftsmanship involved in these projects, you can produce items that not only elevate home decor but also command higher prices in the market. Consumers are often willing to invest in unique statement pieces that reflect their personal style and enhance their living spaces, making these projects both creatively fulfilling and financially rewarding. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider how you can push the boundaries of traditional designs to create pieces that truly stand out and resonate with potential buyers. Wood, as a natural material, possesses intrinsic beauty that is uniquely defined by its grain patterns, colors, and textures. Projects that highlight these natural characteristics can resonate deeply with consumers who seek authenticity and connection to nature in their decor. By incorporating the unique qualities of wood into your designs, you can create visually stunning pieces that celebrate the material itself. This might involve using contrasting finishes to accentuate grain patterns or designing pieces that showcase the wood's natural imperfections, which can add character and depth. Such projects not only appeal to those with an eye for design but also resonate with eco-conscious buyers who appreciate the organic beauty of natural materials. By prioritizing the aesthetic qualities of wood in your crafts, you can create items that not only enhance home decor but also tell a story about the material's origin and the craftsmanship involved, further elevating their desirability. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of stylish wood crafts with us. Your support is invaluable, and if you found the content inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting ideas and projects that celebrate the beauty of woodworking. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more people who are passionate about crafting and home decor. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you even more creative content in the future. Your engagement makes it all worthwhile, so stay tuned for more inspiration and tips to enhance your woodworking journey.